Hello everyone, I'm Shifali Garg. Welcome to BrightChamps, and in this video today I'm going to share with you how you can play Minecraft with your friends. So as you all know, it is very much exciting to play the Minecraft by yourself, but playing Minecraft with friends is an entirely new world of fun. If you are not sure how to play Minecraft with friends yet, so fear not. I'm going to make it quick and easy for you in this video. So as you know, there are some few options available to play Minecraft multiplayer, some of which require an internet connection, while there are some other method is also available that is offline and from the same room. So first in this, we are going to discuss about basically there are 5 ways to play Minecraft with your friends. So first one is Minecraft multiplayer for public server. Next is Minecraft multiplayer for private server. Next is Minecraft with Relams. Next is Bedrock Edition. And the last one is Minecraft with latent. So we are going to discuss one by one. So let's discuss the first one, that is Minecraft multiplayer for public server. So basically what is public server? So public server are what most Java player use to link up with others. So as you know, there are so many servers or web pages available. You can find them by using any of the many server listing sites such as, let me show you. I have one site to share with you. Yes, here it is. So this is the minecraftserver.org. This is the web page. Here as you can see, there are so many servers available. So you can choose any server to play the Minecraft with your friends. As you can see, there are some online Minecraft is available and there are some offline is also available, and there are so many pages available. So you can just go and check how you can play the Minecraft with your friends. And let me show you after this. Okay, so basically, you know what, as I have showed you, how you can, choose the server. So while choosing the server, now let me guide you. Now let me give you the quick rundown, how you can using the server and how you can play the games with your friends. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to copy the IP address of the server you want to join. And next, you have to navigate to the multiplayer screen in your Minecraft client. You have to click on Add Server or Direct Connection. You can paste the IP address into the box labeled server address. If you choose Add Server on step 3, give the server a name and click Done. Then double click on the server from your list or selected and choose Join Server. If you choose Direct Connection, then click Join Server. Let me show you this thing also, how does it look like. Yes, as you can see, this is a page. As you can see over here, there is a direct connection, and as you can see over here, there's an add server also. So what you can do basically, you can just copy the IP address of the server you want to join. This will look something like this, make use of .example.com. You will get the email link. You can navigate to the multiplayer screen in your Minecraft client. You can click on Add Server or Direct Connection. After that, you can paste the IP address into the box label server address. If you choose Add Server on step 3, you can give the server a name and click Done. Then double click on the server from your list or selected it and choose Join Server. If you choose Direct Connection, then click Join Server. Okay, so your pages look like this. Now let me show you another thing, in the Bedrock Edition. Now we'll talk about in Bedrock Edition. So while your range is narrower than Java Edition player, so there are definitely public servers you can join to play Minecraft with your friends in Bedrock Edition. Let me show you this thing also. Wait. Yes, as you can see over here, yeah, this is the page. It looks like this when you join with the Bedrock Edition. So basically how you can play over here in Bedrock Edition, you have to start Minecraft Bedrock Edition. You can click play and navigate to the server tab. You can choose from the list of feature server, as you can see over here, the feature server, which have a higher player count, and you can feature game more like Skywars, Build Battle and more. So like this, in you can play more games like Cube Craft is there, Galaxite is there. So many games are available. So you can play also in the Bedrock edition. So you have to add another server by clicking add server. Enter the server name. You have to enter the IP address and port, and you can also click save to keep this server bookmark. So this is the way to play in the Bedrock edition. Now let's talk about how you can play Minecraft multiplayer for private server. So you know what, like if your friend is running a private server either from their own PC or through third party hosting service, you will need the server IP address. You can just copy paste it as you would a public server address to join. If you are not sure like how to find an IP address for a public server, it is covered in the how to join a Minecraft server. Okay, so this is the way like you have to play Minecraft multiplayer for private server. Like you just need the server IP address. Those friends who are playing in a private server, you need that private, you need that server IP address. After that, we'll talk about how you can play Minecraft multiplayer easy with Relam. So Relam works for both Minecraft Bedrock Edition and Minecraft Java Edition. Though they are not cross-compatible, you know, a friend who plays on Java Edition cannot play on a Bedrock Edition. So Relams are Minecraft version of personal servers. This is the easiest way to create a private world to craft and build with your friends. So how you can create a Relam? So first of all, like what you have to do basically in Java edition, first you will need to purchase a subscription for a Relam. Let me show you the pricing plan of this Relam. So as you can see, this is the pricing plans Relams for Minecraft Java edition. So here are some plans available. So you can just buy any of them and you can start play with your friends. And this pages look like this. And now the next thing, like what we will do, like now we will discuss about how you can create a Relam. So let me, just guide you like how you can create the Relam. So once you have a subscription plan, you can open Minecraft and you can click Minecraft Realms. So if this is your first time, you can create a Relam. You can click to start your new Relam. Here you can name your Relam and enter a brief description before choosing your world type. So choosing between generating a new world, uploading a previous world save, or explore Relam's world template, adventure and experience. So let me show you like how you can configuration the Relam. Okay. So this is the configured Relam as you can see over here. And now like how you can create your Relam over here. So you have to configure Relam. As you can see, there will be a range icon over there. You have to click on the players. Now all you have to do is to whitelist a friend on your server. Is click, you have to invite player and type in their username before clicking invite player again. Your friend will receive an invitation to join your Relam. So this is the way to play in the Java edition. In the Java edition, you can create your Relam like this. If you are playing in Bedrock edition, so in this Bedrock edition, it is slightly different. Let me show you how it is look like this. So here you go. As you can see over here, this is the create new world. So here this picture is look like this when you play in Bedrock edition. So basically what you have to do in this, so you have to start Minecraft Bedrock edition and you can click play. You can head to world and choose create new. By choosing create new world again, select create on Realms from the left pane. As you can see, there is a tab that is create on Realms. You can choose a 2 or 10 player Realm capacity. For a 2 player Realm, you can name your Realm, read and agree to the terms and condition and select create Realms. If you are having a 10 player or more than 10 players, so you can select by now from the navigation list, name your Relam, read and agree to the terms and condition and select start free trial. So this is the way you can play in Bedrock edition. And now we'll discuss about like how you can join a Minecraft realm. So you know what, let me show you this thing also, like how it is look like basically. So yes, as you can see over here, this is the Minecraft realm. So now let me show you how you can join the Minecraft realm. So basically in Java edition, if you have received an invitation to join your friend realm, you can open the Minecraft and navigate to Minecraft realms. At the top of the screen to the right of where it says Minecraft realms is a small envelope icon. This envelope contains any pending invites you have received. Click it to join your friend realm. So this is the way you can play in Java edition. You can join in Java edition. Now if we are talking about the Bedrock edition, you can ask for the invite code from the creator of the realm. That means if any one of your friend has created the realm, you can ask for the invite code to your friend, and he or she will be giving you that code, and through that code you can join the realm and you can play with your friends. Okay, that is the way to join the realm in the Bedrock edition. Now we are going to yes, let me show you this picture also, like how it is, give you a look when you join a realm. Wait, yes, so it will be a look like this. As you can see over here, there is a friends. As you can see, you can check like the requesting also. Here is the join realm option is there, and you can add more friend also if you want to add your friends to play the same game as you are playing. So and you can just see over here, you can see the name of your friends over here. So now we'll move to the next thing. Yes, so you like this, you can launch Minecraft in the realm. You can click play, you can head to friends and click on join realm. You can enter the invite code you received from the realm owner and you can click join. So you are all set to play this game with the realm. So in realm, basically it is the most exciting thing. It is the most hassle-free thing if you are playing in the realm mode. Okay, so now we'll discuss about like how you can play Minecraft with LAN. So basically in LAN, like by server are the best way to play Minecraft with friends who are far away. What is LAN? First of all, LAN is your local access network connection. It is an easy way to craft with friends who are nearby. So those friends who are nearby, you can just connect with it. You can just take the IP address from them and you can just join. You can do this pretty easily. Launch Minecraft and click on multiplayer. Minecraft will automatically scan for games on your local network. Let me show you how this thing is look like. Like and like this is the way it is look like this. If you are playing in Minecraft server, if you are playing in Minecraft with LAN, so it looks like this. Okay, so here you can see there are some of the friends who join in the LAN who are nearby with you. It is a simple way to join. If you are using the LAN option, you just need to have the IP address and you can all set to go. Okay, now we'll be discussing other things like, so if you are under the same local IP address as the player you want to join, you can do this pretty easily. And in Bedrock edition, LAN play is on by default. In Bedrock edition, you just navigate to the world tab, and if there are any available game on your network, they will appear here for you to join. So this is the way in Bedrock edition. And also, one more thing, like you can also play the Minecraft with split screen. So you just need to play Minecraft Bedrock edition in split screen for consoles only, while on LAN supporting up to 4 players at a time. So if you are playing in LAN, it will be support up to 4 players at a time. Play multiplayer game with your friends. So if you are, I hope this will work for you. I hope this will excite you, like how you can play multiplayer game with your friends in Minecraft. So if there is any question do you want to ask me, so you can just feel free to ask them in the comment section below, and I will answer all your queries. Also, please like, share and subscribe to our channel to see amazing video like this every day. So thank you very much, and I hope like you play like a blast with your friends as well. So thank you very much. Bye bye. Take care.